morning. Good morning. Today I am making some keto chocolate chip cookies, and we're doing this because my brother-in-law is out there helping with our rain catchment system. So I want to give him a treat, and he loves these cookies. He's on a keto diet, actually more animal, but you know, he loves these cookies. So diabetic, so these cookies are great for him. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of almond flour, and I like these cookies too. And of course this isn't my recipe, so I'll leave a link to the recipe below. There's 1. 2 cup stevia brown. This stuff is what makes this cookie good. 3/4, a 1/4 at a time. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to put a pinch kosher salt on there. It's a nice duck egg for baking because they're nice and rich. But you guys can use any egg you have. We have these available, so that's what we're using since they are better for baking. Which I have here, so I'm just going to warm that up. And since it's cold outside, and this is not going to melt whether I have it out or not, so I'm just going to put it in. And I do find that melted butter is better for this recipe. So 30 seconds in the microwave. Vanilla, but I don't like that rule, so I'll give you guys the recipe, and this recipe has 5 stars, so, and we made it several times because I'm trying to do keto. It's hard during this time. Nicely softened. And I just do this all in one bowl. And then our last ingredients is walnuts and chocolate chips. I never put walnuts in this. Even though it's good in this, I just put the chocolate chips in. This goes together really easy with a spoon. And then calls for half a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using these dark chocolate, no sugar. Find this brand to be really reliable and good. And the stevia for cookies, or the swerve, sorry, for cookies is great. So I have a cup of walnuts chips because I'm not adding walnuts to this. So while my oven's heating up, and I do this on purpose because this I find better if it's cooled a little bit to get on a cooking sheet and it stays together better. There's one thing that she does in this recipe that I don't do at all, is she smushes down the cookies, and I find that they actually hold together better if you don't do that. So until my oven's at temperature. I usually wait 15 minutes past its time of temperature, and then we'll get these on a sheet and are going to just use one of these lovely cookie, and they're perfect for this. This has been sitting in the fridge. Well, you can put okay, time is 20 minutes. And these are only 2 net carbs a piece, so. Okay, actual cook time on this is 15 to 18 minutes. 15 minutes is usually pretty darn good for these cookies. So, just to let you know. Okay, so you're gonna want to, you're really gonna want to let these sit for like 5 minutes and then put them on a cooling tray. Otherwise, if you pick them off while they're hot, they just fall apart, so. So, I have to admit, I'm not keto, but I do love these cookies, and my brother-in-law loves them too. And he is keto and tries all kinds of keto recipes. So, I'm kind of half keto. But these are delicious. Try them. They're one of the top-rated cookies. I'll leave a link to the channel where this comes from and also the cookie recipe. God bless, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.